Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching another Staub unboxing. Today we're in March already. So I know I haven't seen a lot of you guys lately. If you've been following my channel, I've been just really busy, but I decided to just do a quick Staub unboxing because I know a lot of Staub fans out there. I don't want to disappoint you guys. Even though I'm so super busy, I decided to do an unboxing with you. So this is just something that is not too big from Staub. Now, feel free to comment below, and if you want to make a guess what this piece would be. The size is not that big. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of Staub unboxing. I love cooking with Staub. So you will see some of my cook like the Youngs and also restaurant remake. I will be using most of my Staub cookware. And if that's something that you enjoy watching, please go ahead and subscribe and click the like button at the end of this video so then I know you are also a Staub fan. So let's go ahead and unbox this piece. Okay, so right at it. All right, so this is one of the serving plates, you can say, but it's made out of entirely cast iron. So it comes with this wooden stand here, so then this can be super hot and you can still put it on a wooden stand, which is so good because then you can just serve it like this, which is really awesome. And it doesn't move around, so you can see I'm trying to like shake it. But yeah, this is actually, I think this is actually my very first shiny black. So that's my little shiny black piece for the Staub. So what I'm gonna do with this piece is to serve something that when I was young, I always liked to have sizzling steak. I don't know if this is something that you guys have, but back in Asia, a lot of those fast food places actually. Now, fast food is different. Like the definition of fast food in Asia is totally different than what you think in America. Like in America, we think fast food is like McDonald's and stuff like that. No. So in Asia, fast food is basically, it's actually, you know, food that is actually like cooked. You know, it's like Chinese takeout kind of style where like they really cook it in front of you or in the back and then kitchen, and then they serve it to you. And then you just bring back your tray and, you know, and this is something that I always get when I was young, when I was at one of those fast food places. It's the sizzling steak. And what they would have is they have like French fries, they would have some veggie, and then they have either, you know, you can do, you know, mixed steak, which is like chicken or steak and then pork, right? Or you have just a sirloin steak. And then what you wanted to do is they give you like a sauce and then you pour it over it, and it's like, make it all sizzly, and, you know, you have all the steam coming at you. And I guess that's what, you know, really attracted me, because that's the fun part, right? So, you know, like who wouldn't be, you know, like when you were young, who wouldn't be attracted to something like that, right? So yeah, so I'm thinking like that is probably what I'm gonna be doing with this piece. Now also, like, I would love to hear comments from you guys. Like, what if you were a owner of this piece, what would you do with it? So I would love to hear some of your comments or ideas so that perhaps I will be inspired and I will do a video on something that you guys recommended for me to try out on my Staub piece. So let me talk about pricing. Like, you know, in this channel, we always share prices with each other. So let me just take a little quick look here. The original price here on the bottom, it's $171. And the Suling factory outlet price is $119. But of course, you know me, Mark would always get the best deal ever. So I actually end up paying $89. So yeah, So that was $89.99 for this piece, and I thought it would be great for the upcoming spring, summer. You know, I'm thinking about ahead, you know, like I want the warmer weather to come in already, and then I'm just thinking, oh, this would be a nice piece to add to my collection. You know, sometimes when you are inviting people over and you want to impress their presentation. Oh, another thing that I just came into mind, like in Japanese cuisine, you have these hot stone kind of like presentation. So I think this would be another good option to do like the hot stone kind of like steak, you know, kind of thing. So I don't know. Maybe even like Korean, like, you know, like bibimbap, you know, like the rice with, you know, on a sizzling hot pan. That would be pretty good too, right? So like I said, feel free to comment below and let me know what you think about this piece, as well as what can I do with this stove piece here. So if you have enjoyed this video, please go ahead and click the like button below, and don't forget, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video for next month, stove unboxing. Thanks for watching. Bye.